Do you need this type of floating Google review widget for your website, or a separate section like this, where the Google reviews will show up? In this video, we will learn how to add Google reviews to WordPress website. Any page, any place for free. So let's get started. First, go to the WP admin dashboard and add a plugin. Search Google Reviews. We will use this. Install and activate it. The plugin is activated successfully. Now go to the plugin settings. You will find many sample Google review styles here. You should decide which one you want to show on your website. Let's connect the Google business to this plugin listed on Google. So let's connect the business to your website. Search your business here. I am searching for Apple Park, for example. Then continue. Now choose a layout. In the All section, you will find all the Google review layouts. You can sort them from here. Like if you want a floating review, you can choose this. We will show both the floating layout as well as this one. Let's start with floating one. I like this one. This is short and looks professional. Select this. Here is the widget preview. You can do some basic customization here. Then click on Save and get code. The short code is here. Copy that. Then go to the page where you want to show the Google review. I am going to the About Us page. Go to Edit this page. Search short code. Drag it to a place and paste the short code you copied. See, this is already become visible. Let's publish and check it live. See how it looks. Let's set a different type of layout. Go to Select Layout. I am choosing this one. Selected. And get the code. Just following the same method, going to the About Us page and edit that. By the way, I deleted the previous short code. Create a place for the short code. Drag the short code box to the expected place. Now paste the short code. Instantly, the reviews are visible. Let's publish and check that it is perfectly fine. Now you can review all the layouts and use them according to your desired needs. This is the video on how to add Google reviews to WordPress website. If you face any problem, feel free to ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching.